Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I have for you guys an unboxing. If you have watched my channel or any of my videos before, you know I love a good mystery box. It is like Christmas to myself. I get a gift sent right to my front door. I have no idea what's going to be inside, and I hope that I like it. So it's just like getting Christmas gifts, right? So we are going to dive in and see what I got inside of my Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is from his summer mystery boxes that just launched. I'm just going to go over some quick details. I'm not going to chit chat too long, just to give you just a quick overview of some info, and then we are going to dive in and see what I got inside of my box. Now, I haven't watched any unboxing, so I have no idea what is in here. The only thing that I have a hint of is that I believe there might be a pop socket, and there is a lipstick shade that is exclusive to these mystery boxes. So that will take us right into the details here. So there was 3 different boxes that launched. There was a mini, a premium, and a deluxe. I think the mini had like 2 or 3 items in it. Mine's gonna have 4 or 5, and I believe that big deluxe box has over 10 items in it, and that one includes clothing items. I just decided to fall right in the middle, and I picked up the premium box. I am a huge fan of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am wearing the Jawbreaker palette on my eyes right now, and it is amazing. One of the best eyeshadow palettes that I own. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and jump in and let's see what I got in my box. So I paid $45 for this plus shipping. So obviously once we go through all of the products that are on the inside and their value, we will kind of discuss if I think that this box was worth it or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, grab the first item that I feel, and we have a liquid frost. This is in the shade, what is this? Canary Bling. I actually already own this exact product in this exact shade, and to be honest with you guys, I am not a huge fan of this formula. I hate to say it because I love so many of Jeffree's products, but this is probably the product that I like the least. So I'm obviously not even going to open this because I'm just gonna save it, either put it in a giveaway or give it to a friend or family member that thinks that they would enjoy it. I just feel like the formula looks kind of chunky. It doesn't really melt into my skin. It looks like it's kind of sitting on top. And this particular shade here, Canary Bling, has like pink micro reflexive glitter on it, or in it, I should say. It's just not my jam. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one off to the side. Let's go ahead and grab the next item. And we have a lipstick. Now, I actually don't have any of the lip ammunitions from Jeffree Star, so this is exciting. Now, this is in the shade Galaxy Gold. Now, I have a feeling this is going to be some type of topper. So let's take a look. I love bullet lipsticks, my favorite type of formula. It says this one has a creme brulee scent. Oh my God, I love creme brulee, probably my favorite dessert. So here's what this packaging looks like. Really cute. Definitely smells sweet and vanilla-like. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. Oh, wow. That is really, really gold. That's really pretty. Now, I know that Jeffree Star products are safe to use not only on the lips, or I should say Jeffree Star's lipsticks are not only safe to use on the lips, but you can actually use them on your eyes as well. So that is awesome. That would make a beautiful eyeshadow as well, or like a lipstick topper. Here's what it looks like, the actual bullet. I think this is really cool. I am happy with this product. Awesome. I can definitely see myself using that. Let's move on to the next item here. We have a velour liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Gemini. Now, I remember when this shade launched, I really, really thought it looked beautiful, and I almost bought it several times. So I'm glad that I did it because here we are, and now I have it in one of my boxes. So this one just has the classic Jeffree Star liquid lipstick packaging with the pink cap. I am a huge fan of this liquid lipstick formula. It's actually my favorite. It just goes on so smoothly. The shape of the applicator is perfect. It makes for like the easiest application. It just hugs the lips. It just looks beautiful. So here is the shade Gemini. That is a beautiful shade, something that tons of different skin tones could pull off. I don't know if everyone got similar things in their boxes or if there was different variations, but if you got Gemini, I'd say you're pretty lucky because this is a beautiful, very wearable, everyday shade. So far we are 2 for 3. Let's grab the next item in here. And we have a pop socket, and this one is orange in color. Now, I got a pop socket in my last Jeffree Star mixture. here we go again with me not being able to pronounce words properly, in my last Jeffree Star mystery box. And in fact, I have it on my phone right now because the pop socket that I had on my phone kept falling off. So it had seen its day, and I have a very dependent, unhealthy relationship with pop sockets. I can't even function without it now. And I remembered, I was like, oh, I have a Jeffree Star pop socket. Perfect timing. So when this one bites the dust, I've got another one for backup. So I have no problems getting a pop socket in a mystery box because I love them. I feel like there's only one more item left in this box, and this is the mystery lipstick shade, or I should say the lipstick shade that is exclusive to this box. It's in the Chartreuse Summer Unit Carton. I love that color. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, some of Jeffree's lipsticks are scented like root beer, which I forgot to see if Gemini had the same scent. But here is a question mark shade. Really pretty so far looking in the tube or in the container. This one does not have a scent. So let's go ahead and just swatch that right next to Gemini. I think it is a pretty shade. It's a little bright for me. I don't see myself reaching for this quite as often as I would with Gemini. I mean, it's pretty and it's definitely a summertime shade. I'm wondering if this was something that he had planned to launch with his summer collection, but it didn't make the cut, or that he saved it specifically and had this idea in mind to put it in the mystery box. I think that's kind of cool regardless. It's like we almost got a little behind the scenes there of the last summer launch, but it's a pretty shade. I'm not huge into pink lipsticks. Let's just say that. I don't know if I see myself reaching for that. All in all, I did get 5 products in my box, including the pop socket. Now, would we include that pop socket and figure that into the value of the box? Absolutely not, because they're not, I don't know, I know they're very inexpensive to make, and I think it's just kind of like a bonus item in the box. So really technically 4. Am I super satisfied with this box? I think it's fine. I mean, again, mystery boxes are just that. They're a mystery. They're going to be a random hodgepodge of products put together at a discounted price and gives you a chance to kind of maybe explore what else is in the line or what else is in the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line. Or if you're someone who's more new to the brand, I think it's a great way to kind of get your hands on multiple products at less of a price. So let's go ahead and configure the value of this box. So the lip ammunition and the velour liquid lipsticks, they retail for $18. So we have $18 times 3, that brings us to $54. That right there pretty much covers the cost of the box, including shipping. So I've already gotten my money's worth. So essentially it's like I got the liquid frost for free. The value of the liquid frost, let's take a look on Jeffree's website, is $25. So 54 plus 25, we are at $79 plus the pop socket. So essentially I paid $54, I believe in total, including shipping, for $79 worth of product, which is a savings again of $25. So there you guys have it. Do I think that the mystery boxes are worth it? For me personally, I enjoy them. It's going to be worth it for me. I like the surprise. I like not knowing what's in the box. And I do like getting a bunch of products at a discounted price. I use makeup for so many different things. I know that in one way or another, I'm going to find use out of most of the products. There may be a couple here and there in a box that I just don't see myself using, and that's totally fine. Now, if you know that you might possibly be pissed off with what you're going to get in your box, they're not for you. Save that money and put it towards the product or the shade of lipstick that you know that you wanted. You know, you can't be like, oh, I wish that this would have been in there. I wish that that would have been in there, because at that point then, do you know what I'm saying? You just go ahead and buy that product, save your coin, and put it towards the product that you were interested in getting. So there you guys have it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you picked up a box. I'd love to know and hear from those who got the deluxe box. Deluxe. I feel like this box should have been called deluxe and the larger one should have been called premium. That's just me. It's really throwing me off. But let me know if you got the larger box. What did you get? What did you think about it? I would just love to hear your thoughts and your feedback. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. I love you guys so much and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.